Today I thought I'd go over my energy and green energy top picks to see if any changes need to be made. Periodically, I go over my list of my top 40 and double check to see if they're still valid. I believe that energy is going to be in a vital sector for the next 10 years as we transition to more environmentally safe energies. I have a list of 240 stocks, which I have categorized. One of those categories is energy and green energy. And these are the stocks that I've selected to be in that category. Now, I'm sort of noticing I don't have any solar, and I might have to fix that. So if anybody has any suggestions on a good solar companies, I might add this to the green as well. It seems like I have a lot of battery and legacy energy stocks. Anyway, I backtested this list against my RSI strategy and see which stocks perform best using that strategy, which will give me the best net. I just added the headings when I cut and pasted. It didn't include the headings. Anyway, I'll check the net profit and I'll look at the percentage of winners to see which ones give me the best outcome. So currently on my top 40 list is Albemarle, LAC, and Lithium, and SQM. So LAC has a 72% win rate. That's good. 71. SQM is a 78. That's a little dicey. LAC gives plenty of profit here. So does Soledad. I like that. That's not good. UNG is 89. That looks good there. Oh, that looks really good. So that's a new one. How about USO? USO looks pretty good too. Not much return there. That looks pretty good too. FANG. So let's look at the old four and these three new ones to see which let's look at these further. So what we have here, we've taken a strategy and tested the stocks to see how well they perform with that strategy technically. And now we need to find out what other people think and fundamentally what these companies are doing. Even what they're doing, what they sell, what they buy, make. So we need to understand a little bit more. So we have to look at fundamental analysis. So we're going to dive in this a little deeper. The first company we'll look at is Albemarle. It's a battery company, and it's not looking like its performance are good. And it doesn't look like it should be on my top 40. Overall, it's got a hold rating with a $156 target, trading at $152. It's $4 difference. It's got an overall neutral rating. I think there's going to be better stocks out there. Hedge fund activity is decreased. I don't like that. And they say the technicals and the fundamentals look decent. Albemarle is a chemical company for farming, pharmaceuticals, and batteries. Got good lines. It's profitable. That's good. Has an earnings date in May 12th. It's tradable. Looks like it plans to expand its lithium. So the analysts, which are not always right, they're viewing this as an overall 5. I think there's better stocks out there. Let's hope the others on the list are a little better. Anyway, Albemarle doesn't seem to be working well with the RSI indicator. The next on my existing top 40 list is LAC, Lithium American Corporation. It's got a 72% win rate with my RSI indicator. That's great, giving a good return in money in net for the last year. Back tested over the year. And we're assuming that we could get something similar to that this year. Moderate buy, like that. Target price is 21. There's about a $5 difference, like that. Outperform, like that. Not enough data. Everything else looks good. Charts look decent. Got to pull back here. Not profitable. No news. Again, this company engages in lithium, which is batteries. Nevada, headquartered in Canada. Well, it's a potential. The next one is ticker symbol LTHM, Livent Corporation, 71% win rate, returning $400 for the year. Let's see how the fundamentals are. $18 trading price, $19, $20 Target, moderate buy. Not a lot of room there. Close. 7 on the list. Hedge fund is increasing. I like that. Return on equity, negative. Lithium again. Batteries. I think I'm overstocked with lithium. Nice run there. Earnings date, May 11th. Not profitable. Yes. This is probably why it got on the list with batteries. Telsa. Probably has a great future. Anyway, still very tradable. Last one on the top 40 old list is SQM. Net profit of $335. I like that. Win rate of 78%. Like that. Target of 59. Moderate buy. Good there. 54. Some room. Neutral as a 7. Hedge fund. We don't like that. Lithium again. I'm overloaded with lithium. Stats. Nice run up. I like that. Love that. PE positive. We like that. May 19th is reporting. Everything looks good. Let's take a look at FANG, which is Diamondback Energy. Nice net profit for the year. 65% winners. Average bars held. 17 trades. 11 of them with winners. 75 trading. Target 86. 87. That's looking good. Strong buy. Like it. A 10. Finally found a 10. I like it. Increased hedge fund activity, very good. I don't really much care about that. Strong buy. Technicals, fundamentals. Let's see what we have here. Oil and gas company out of Texas. Earning date 11th. Now this PE doesn't look so hot. And that's probably because of last year the oil prices. And Raymond James says that this is one of the 2 stocks you should go. Let's see what the other stock is. Apache, APA. This is one of the first companies I invested with a broker way long time ago. Moderate buy. They're using tip ranks as well. And FANG. Strong buy. So Raymond James is looking at 2 oil stocks, and that is APA and FANG. And I'm going to write APA down and do some due diligence after this video. So Diamondback is definitely on my list with a 10 outperform. So FANG is definitely on the list, and I put a star there. Probably going to replace Albemarle with that. UNG, United States Natural Gas, giving a 526, 528, 90% a winner. That's really looking good. Let's take a look at the fundamentals. UNG is an ETF, has no ratings or anything, and there's a lot of fluctuation, but I can see some zigzags here. And the last one is USO. 64 win rate, plenty of money. Again, this is ETF, and it had a dip and steadily rising. So you just have to decide if you want to include that. And as I was researching this, Suncor, I'm going to think about adding that on to the list for next time. APA and Suncor. Right now, this is what we got. So what I have done here is I've selected some stocks, and then I've seen how they perform well with my chosen indicator, win rates, and net profit. I've chosen some, and then I looked at the fundamental analysis to see if it's how other people think about it and how their numbers add up, their financial numbers. So FANG is definitely going to be on new one on the list. So is LAC. I got too much lithium. I think I'm going to put these 4 on and take this one off, and this one off temporarily. It's still on my list. I'm still going to get singles on them, but it's just not going to be in my top 40. And the top 40 is where I try to concentrate some effort and try to stay in at least one of each of my sectors and try to stay involved in those. Anyway, doing this exercise keeps me on my toes. So what I think I have is based on my list, not all the stocks in the world, just based on the 250 stocks that I know a little bit about. Of those stocks, I picked out the best on each sector, and these 4, FANG, LAC, UNG, and USO, I believe are my best. Now, these are the best 4, the old best 4. These are the numbers. These numbers don't go away anyway. I still got that money, but it's just not going to be tracked in my top 40. They don't go anywhere. That money doesn't go anywhere. And so that's USO, UNG, bang, and this one goes away. So, and this is telling me that I have traded these recently, but I have no involvement in the energy sector, and this has been the hot sector for the last few weeks. So I need to get working on this. I'm going to take a look at these 4 stocks and look at the chart a little deeper. Looking at UNG, we have a buy here, and that's a winner. We have a buy here, a winner. One here, and a winner. One here, a winner. Taking wins at 5%. And as you see, there's nothing here. We got one here, but the zigzag is not changing. RSI went up there, support. If the rule says to wait for a change in regime, just like here, we missed this one. It's MACD because we had to have a change of regime. And we didn't get the RSI signal here. People tell you not to change your rule. You have to wait for the signal. If you had the MACD, you could have took this one. But right now we're on the RSI, and there is no signal, and you just can't take it. So this is why I use MACD and the RSI, because I can use either one. But there's no MACD signal here. They would have missed that nice little run. And likewise, the RSI, there's none here. And you would have lifted that run up. So no system's perfect. But you would have got it with the MACD, because this is green and green. This is your zigzag is green. MAC is green. Go with it. Would have got a buy there and a win, but you should have left that one run. Couldn't take any of these RSIs because the zigzag is not in the same direction. You could take these MACDs and would have had winners. You wouldn't have took this one because it's above the 0 line. So there's plenty of opportunities here. Either the MACD or the RSI. I like it. Would have had a quick one here. That's a winner. And you would have had a short here. And those were 2 winners. A short here may be a winner. And then that's a winner. And a winner here. You wouldn't have taken any of these shorts here because you had, well, you would have took that one. Well, you wouldn't have took these. And you wouldn't have took that one. You would have took this one. And you did. So yeah, there's plenty of opportunities there. And see if there's a green one here. You could have bought on the MACD there. You could have bought on the MACD there. And depending on this is too close to the 0 line, but definitely on that one and those. You don't want to buy close to the MACD when it's close to the 0 line. Would have had a quick one there, a quick win there, a quick win there, and a quick win there. RSI, 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 and a RSI. Looking good here for LAC as well. Okay, this is the new top 4 energy and green stocks. USO, UNG, FANG, and LAC. I have a better variety. I don't have so much lithium. How do you pick your best stocks? How do you pick the stocks that you trade? What process do you go through to get your top stocks? Or do you go each day and just look and do a scan and pick some stocks haphazardly? Or do you know something about them? I think it's essential to know your stocks that you're trading. If you know your stocks, you have a simple strategy, I think you'll have a winning formula in order to make money. Please leave your comments on what solar stocks I should add to my list. It's an area where I think I'm weak at. Solar stocks. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.